there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about inter VLAN. Now, inter VLAN is different than VLAN we configure. Here, we basically use our router network, and in inter VLAN, currently we want to divide a network in a two, but we will do that in a router. So this is a quite a different thing, but the concept will be same. We will create a local area network between two. You can do that with the same, but since we have using router, and our router is connecting with two interface, our router connected with two interface in a same switch. You can see in the diagram that router and switch is connected with two interface. One interface having 192.168.1.1 and another interface having 192.168.2.1. Now the ranges are the class or same, but how to do that in VLAN, which is quite a learning thing. So let me show the show VLAN. Currently, we have two VLAN ranges, sales and counts. They have a ports, and currently, for example, laptop. For example, I want to ping with a network 192.168.2.2. So I will not able to, because the ranges are different and the gateways are different. But in near future, since in the practical level I want to communicate with two networks, I want those two networks able to ping with each other, able to exchange the data with each other, and able to send a package with each other. So I basically want these two networks to allow communication. How to do that? That's the thing. Now, since VLANs are two VLANs, we configure it. Network range is different. That's the reason we will not able to. So either you do routing, but here we will do inter VLAN. So interface FAT Ethernet 0/23. At the switch level, we are configuring, since 23 is configured with the router. So command is switch port mode, and you have three way of communication. So, but here a different thing will be there is, and that is that three way of communication: access, dynamic, trunk. Now since we are doing this with switch to router, that's the reason we will use a trunk thing. And we all knows that okay, switch port mode access will be for the switch to PC. That's the reason we are doing with access. And switch to router hence no work. So switch port access VLAN 2. Now same thing we would do with interface fast Ethernet 0/24. Now this is the 24 fast Ethernet connected to router. Switch port mode access. Now switch port access VLAN 3. Now the configuration will be done with in a switch port. Now only thing we needs to configure the same with in a router. Now switch to switch will be trunk, switch to PC will be access. That's the thing. remember. Now hostname R, what we need to do is you have to give interface. So for example, the interface we predefined is fast Ethernet 0/0. For example, 192.168.1.1. So IP address we are giving is 192.168.1.1. Okay. And the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0, and no shutdown to up the link. Now exiting from here, and we have to configure another port to VLAN 3. And how to do that? So interface fast Ethernet 1/0, which is another interface which is connected with the switch, and IP address, the range of the IP 192.168.212.1. The subnet mask, forget it. So 255.255.255.0. Okay, no shutdown. So exit from here. Okay, so the ports are up. Now what we need to do is now we need to we done the thing, we configured it. So let me wait for that. Currently searching orange light means connection still establishing. Okay, it's done with. Now what we need to do is want to ping with the different networks. So 2.2 before it was not pinging. Let's see whether we able to. Okay, yes, with one RTO message we able to, and before there was no way. So again the same laptop, so two networks were able to communicate with each other, and they able to exchange the packets. The ping with 192.168.1.2 pinging. So 1.3 pinging. So with one RTO message we are getting the reply. So this is how we can configure Intel VLAN, and it's a quite good thing, for example, to allow two different networks to exchange data with each other. So hope you learned something about inter VLAN. Another method is there.